What happens is typically your attorney goes to court, makes a representation to the judge as to where you are, and then the judge figures out if he's excusing your appearance or if he's giving you 48 hours to show up to court. If you do not show within those 48 hours, the judge is able to forfeit your bail. And the way that it works is the judge simply says bail forfeited. The cashier gets a notification that the judge ordered the forfeiture of the bail. From the day that it happens, you have 1 year to come forward, or whoever posted the bail has 1 year to come forward and say the reason why you no-showed to court and try to explain with some sort of good faith effort as to why you no-showed. You can unforfeit your bail if there was good reason for you not to show up to court. Typically, like you were hospitalized, something really tragic happened, and if you make that showing, you can get your bail back. If you can't do it, after a year, the money's gone for sure. We've once had a case where the client posted a $100,000 cash bail, not bond. It was $100,000 cash. And the client ended up going to rehab in South Carolina. And the client was coming up for his suppression hearings. We spoke to the family and we said, you need to have someone drop him off to court. Or if you wanted our investigator to do it, we could make arrangements to have the investigator drive down to South Carolina, pick up the client, and bring him back. And the family was like, no, it's fine. He could be trusted. Just get him on the bus. So the client gets on the bus, but he never gets to Port Authority. The investigator's there to pick him up. Bus pulls up. The client's not on the bus. So the family ended up forfeiting the $100,000 cash bail because they never came forward within a year to say what happened. The client was actually on the run for over a year, and then he got picked up on something else, and then we ended up resolving the case down the road in Manhattan, but cash was gone. You only have a year to come back from the time that the judge says bail forfeited.